He'd be so fun to play with in this game. It's green. It'd be hilarious. Loading. It loads. It hasn't loaded for me yet. Yeah, that's smart. I mean, if you want to. Your character doesn't change whatsoever whenever you walk. Like, you walk backwards. Don't run away. That's not cool. I know, God, oh, Jesus Christ. What? Yeah. Yeah, I see it, I saw it. It's gone now. No, it's not. It's right there. My controller's vibrating. I can't run. He grabbed me. The monster was literally on my screen and he grabbed me. I'm dead. I guess I can move now, but I'm in a fucking different reality. Oh, there you are. No, never mind. No, I saw you die. All I heard was a.
I'm gonna be this chick. Kind of like amnesia.
First things first, don't look at the monster.
Alright. Tell me what to do.
Don't tell me what to do!
Alright, so, lights are off, it's raining outside, and my volume's turned up.
Oh God, nigga! I got -2 insanity, +1 scout, and +2 speed, bitch! Bitch, nigga, I'm the shit! Alright, Reggie, let's leave engage, let's go. Reggie leads everything. Reggie, look, because we look at his butt. Yeah! Yeah!
Because we can't hold this straight. Holding a sky isn't very convincing.
I said the exact same thing the first time we played. I was like, how is this guy just there? It's just there. Oh baby, you got what I need.
Why did I walk so slow?
What? Stop running. You're the fastest person in the fucking game. Keep going. Fuck! I don't know where Gage is. Gage is fucking...
You guys walk like 50 miles an hour.
we are the fastest people in the game. Oh, see, Gage, we're veterans. We're like MLG pros.
I'm actually not scared at all. Don't walk out without me trying to stare.
Guys, don't walk out with it.
Stop for a second.
Where are you?
I wanna go.
Fuck, he's behind us, he's behind us! Oh no! Reggie.
Oh Jesus.
Hey, I got an emergency alert. There's splash flooding.
Same here. Same thing.
In this area till 3 AM. I don't give a shit. Fuck, Reggie, where'd you go? Oh, okay. I looked at my phone and I was scared.
You guys are like way off without me.
Hey, you can run, you know, right?
No, but you put my flashlight down.
Like right there. Oh baby, you, oh you've got what I need. Yeah, more than anything on Xbox. Gage, where are you? Are you close to me?
Thanks, guys.
Thanks.
He is not. Please walk out for that.
Oh, he is in front of us. We'll get it. Fucking no. It's right there.